Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are talking about Texas.
Yes, Texas, the Lone Star State, where they say everything is bigger in Texas.
Yeah, so when it comes to mobile home investing in the state of Texas, it is a gold mine. You guys rank #1 across the United States on how many mobile home parks it is in your state.
Yes, #1, guys. Like literally, you guys have over 5,176 mobile home parks. And here's the thing, right? The median income for a single family, the median price for a single family home in your state is $156,000, right? Your average rent is right at $1,100. So you talk about affordable housing. I get it. Texas, people are moving to Texas to have affordable housing by living in mobile homes.
Yes, now I know you guys are probably wondering, like, where are these mobile homes located and what's the hottest markets? But guess what? The hottest markets are actually close to those bigger cities in Texas, like Dallas, Austin, Houston, and San Antonio.
Yeah, so I want to give you guys a fact, okay? So you guys, I get it. Y'all #1. I know my people in Texas is like, yo, I knew it, right? But here's the thing. You guys rank 23rd in the nation when it comes to the population of people living in mobile homes. So 8% of your population lives in mobile homes. But that's incredible, right? Sharnice just talked about those major markets. Now, one thing we got to share with you guys, right? McAllen, Texas is your mobile home capital, right? That has the most mobile homes with over 14.6% of your population living in mobile homes in McAllen, Texas.
Yes, so it's kind of similar to other markets across the United States. If you're looking for an average cost, a lower cost of a used mobile home, even surrounding those major cities like Houston and Dallas, you still want to look in the rural areas surrounding those markets.
Yes, you definitely have to be willing to drive for dollars, right? I actually had a call this week with a park owner that I had never heard of Wichita Falls, Texas before, right? But had mobile home parks there. So when you think about all these other cities that have these incredible parks, all this opportunity, okay? Now, one thing I want to bring out, just like most major cities around the country, mobile homes near your major cities, the San Antonio, Dallas, Houston, right, Austin, those mobile homes are going to cost more. Why? Because jobs are near, right? And it is so much opportunity. When you're talking about those better deals, yes, those in the rural areas, you got to be willing to travel.
Yes. Now, when it comes to how many mobile homes you can sell in your state before needing that mobile home dealer's license, you can do up to 1 per calendar year.
Yes, 1. Now, one thing that's different, I know they changed in your state. The beautiful thing about Texas, you guys have a manufactured housing department. So you have a department that's strictly for mobile homes in your state. So one key thing is, right, we talk about titles in most of our videos, where you guys don't have titles, okay? Now it is called SOLs, or Statement of Ownership and Location. So always remember that the Statement of Ownership and Location, very, very huge when it comes to mobile home investing in your state.
Yes. Now remember that Statement of Ownership and Location, aka SOL, is what you'll need to again sell that mobile home.
Yes. So we had to come bring Texas, one of the larger markets. You're talking about the #1 market for the most mobile homes in the country. So you talk about endless potential, right? Because like we always say, if you don't know any mobile home investors, go look in the mirror. We definitely cannot wait for you to get started.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So, I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.